Oya, make una start to dey ask una questions one by one. And no mumu questions allowed.
Why we no go ask you mumu question when you be mumu coach?
What of that thing just now? Security, abeg help me fish out that person. Carry am comot for this place.
Yes, sir. Oga Potter, some people dey talk say na the plenty players wey una buy na him dey weigh Chelsea down from climbing up the Premier League table.
What?
E no go make sense for Chelsea to drop some of the useless load wey dem carry to help dem move forward in life.
Nobody be useless load for Chelsea. All of my players dey important.
Oga Potter, e get some obvious dead weights wey follow Chelsea join body. At least, Chelsea suppose drop some. Make we foresee how we go take manage our remaining problem.
Who be example of the dead weight wey dey talk?
No be me dey talk o, but for example now, you and that kukuruku guy, dem suppose send una back to Brighton.
Thunder fire you there.
Same to you, sir. Only una two weight sef dey like black hole inside Chelsea. Una be bad market wey Brighton sell give us.
Security,
Sir.
you still dey allow this guy talk for here? Nonsense. Next question.
Oga Potter, Chelsea fans don dey notice the massive improvement wey you dey do for Chelsea. Other clubs dey get second 11. Teams like Man City dey get third 11. But now, only Chelsea get fifth 11. Plus teams like Bodo Glimt don already dey shit for pints, as dem dey hear say dem fit jam Chelsea for Conference League next season.
Oh my God.
And
Wait first. Who tell you say we no go make am to Champions League next season? Even if we no make am to top 4 this season, we go carry Champions League so that we go qualify automatically for next season.
you for allow me make I ask my question finish now. This thing wey you talk now, na miracle wey dey capable to make Satan repent turn to born again.
Just dey watch now. So wetin be your question?
As I been dey talk, another of una massive improvement na say una been dey lose before, but after una don spend over 600 and something million pounds, una don start to dey draw. So my question na, how much una go need spend for una to start to dey win Premier League games?
You are a very foolish somebody. In short, this press conference don end since una no sabi ask better questions.
You know say dem fit win Maserati for 1xbet? These Champions League matches wey dem dey play so, if you bet on top them, with every bet you go dey gather points, even for the ones wey you lose. On how you collect the points finish, you go follow for the draws wey dem go do on top am. For there you go fit win better Maserati motor or cash. If you never register, go register for their website and make sure say you use our promo code JNEXT so that you go get increased bonus for your first deposit wey fit reach 189,000 naira. Make sure say you read their terms and conditions and use sense take the bet. Thank you.
Odegaard, fear don dey take style hold me o.
Why?
You no see wetin happen? If Man City win us tomorrow, we go dey the same points and dem go dey top us for table.
That one no make now. We still get second leg with them and another outstanding match.
My own be say, e don tey wey Kochi shoot person for dis club. You know say na strikers him dey quick shoot if anything start dey spoil. What? Me I dey fear to chop bullet now o.
Blood of God. Bullets.
Now. Oh, so you no know say na bullet him dey shoot give us if we no play better ball.
Him no know na. No be this January income.
Hey, wonder shall never end.
Jorginho, Kochi dey call you.
Wetin I do?
I no know. Him just say make I call you.
Kochi, good morning, sir.
Morning.
But they tell me say you dey call me, sir.
Yes. Sit down.
No worry, sir. Fist hand.
I want make we get heart-to-heart discussion. So, sit, relax.
Now even when I stand, my heart they communicate well.
I don't tell you with church mind now, say make you sit down. You know one here. No let make I change my mind though.
Okay, sir. I no go like make you change your mind.
You know sir, sit down, relax now.
Kochi, make I tell you the truth. I no relax, ho. I dey smell something fishy.
Oh. Okay. You never tell when I just finished to chop fish now.
Kochi, no be that type of fish I dey talk.
Oh yeah, enough of waiting you dey smell.
I talk my own don't finish today.
Carry your hand put on top of this gun. Oh yeah, repeat after me. I swear to talk the truth and nothing but the truth.
Wetin you wan ask me?
Come on, shut up and talk wetin I tell you to talk.
Okay, sir. I swear to talk the truth and nothing but the truth.
If I no talk the truth, make trailer jam me for road as I dey comot for this office.
Haba Kochi, but...
Come on, talk wetin I tell you to talk before I forget bullet for your body.
Sorry, wetin you talk that time again?
I say, if I no talk the truth, make trailer jam me for road as I dey comot for this office.
If you no talk the truth. Sorry, sir. na slip of the mind and tongue. If I no talk the truth, make trailer jam me for road as I dey comot for this office.
Good. Now to my question of the day. Before you pack your car and start dey come Emirates from Stamford Bridge, Chelsea been send you any secret mission make you come do for this club?
No. I just pack my car and start to dey come o.
So you dey swear say dem no give you any ultimatum or join body to come spoil our shine for this club?
I swear on top my future generation, dem no give me anything, sir.
So how come since when you come this club, we don dey drop points as we dey go, like goat wey dey shit as im dey waka for road?
Kochi, I swear to God, no be me do am.
I never believe you, but I go give you the benefit of the doubt until we play City tomorrow. If we lose that game, I go carry you go shrine to go swear.